Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you one of my favorite audio effect tracks. This one is very simple but very effective. This audio effect track has been spotted by someone in one of the videos that I've done for Sample Magic and asked me if I can do it on my YouTube channel. So I call it Basic Effect Tool because it's basically 4 main effects that I'm using a lot: the reverb, the delay, a stereo whiner, and some distortion. For the record, I created this audio effect track like 1 year ago. The main reason was when you open Operator and you are looking for interesting sound, you straight away always put a reverb or delay, this kind of basic effect, and I was started to always, all the time, put a reverb, looking for parameters. So I said, let's do a rack to have everything set like this. You don't lose time and you just focus on the research. Because if you don't put effect, Operator is sounding like kind of flat, you know, and it's really hard to take the best from it. So it's much more easier with a reverb or a delay. So the two first macro are mapped to a distortion. The first parameter is controlling the amount, the dry rate of the distortion, and the second one, which frequency you wanna affect. So you can use it in 2 ways. First, if you want just to have some harmonic with a very small amount, or then if you really want this distortion effect, just put a bit more amount. Then you have the ping pong delay that I use for the stereo effect. So you have the stereo amount, which is the dry rate, and you have the stereo position, who is basically controlling the stereo time between the left and the right delay. So then you have the reverb, where you can control the reverb amount and the reverb decay. And then finally you have a classic delay, where you can control the dry rate and the feedback. So, yeah, quickly you have something a bit more lively. And then you can go back to Operator, start to modify everything. So yeah, very simple, quick, effective. You can do as well this on your drum. For example, you can do this on your clap. As I told you, straight away 2 macro, and that's it. Let's add a bit of stereo. Some reverb. Some delay. And here we go, that's it. I hope guys you enjoy it. Please like, subscribe, comment, share, or whatever. Everything is for free. If you have any suggestion, just put it in the comment. If you have any remark, see you in 2 weeks and have fun.